Hey guys, this oven baked chicken recipe is good for the upcoming Easter holiday, but also anytime. Alright, so what you're going to need, of course, is chicken, but you need olive oil, seasoned salt, garlic salt, onion powder, Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, bell pepper, yellow onion, and you're also going to need a few cloves of garlic. These are little pieces of the clove. Alright, so we have our whole chicken over here, and we're going to start off by dredging it with olive oil, and we're going to rub the olive oil on the whole chicken. So we're going to start with this side. I'm just going to get the olive oil all nice into the chicken, then you just flip it over and repeat the same thing on the other side. So you can brush it or you can rub it, whatever your preference is. Just make sure that you get the olive oil coating the entire chicken. Okay, and so after we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and start with the seasonings. So I'm going to flip it over, all right, and start on this side. So we're going to go ahead and stuff the chicken with bell pepper. We're going to stuff it with all the herbs. We're going to do the bell pepper, then we're going to do the onion, and we're going to do the garlic, and then we're going to do the onion. It doesn't matter which order that you stuff the chicken in, as long as you go ahead and stuff it with all the herbs just like that. And so I went ahead and stuffed it on this side because it's easier. You see how the chicken is positioned like that. And I'm going to season the chicken on one side, and then I'm going to transfer it into the Dutch oven for the cooking process and season the other side. Okay, so let's get going. We got the onion powder, all right, and all those seasonings, the garlic salt. I don't know, I always season my food in this order it's just a thing. But anyway, it doesn't matter which order that you season it with. And I always like to end with seasoning with the seasoned salt and the cayenne pepper. But that's just my thing. Use the cayenne pepper last because it adds a good color to your chicken. Okay, and once you're done with that side, then you want to go ahead and flip it over. If you're gonna cook it on the pan that you're seasoning it on, I just put it on this pan because it's easier to just have, spread it out, plenty of room to season the chicken. All right, so we have it in the Dutch oven, and we're just gonna go ahead and repeat the process with the seasonings. So it's your choice if you want to cook your chicken on the breast side or if you want to cook it on this side. I just happen to cook it on the breast side this time. It really doesn't matter. To me it really doesn't matter if you cook it on the breast side or the other side in the Dutch oven. But if you want just like a more of a prettier look like it's in the picture, it was cooked on this side versus the breast side, because the breast side, is like really plump and pretty. So pretty much your choice. Okay, so we're finishing with the cayenne pepper here. Okay, and once you have that all nice and situated on your chicken, you want to go ahead and I had some leftover onion and garlic and bell pepper, so I just went ahead and just added it into the pot. Don't want to waste it, and it only adds more flavor to your meat. Because we used about almost a half a bell pepper, almost a half of a small onion, and you can see just a few sprigs of the cloves. That's all that you need. Okay, so you go ahead and put your lid on it, but you want to leave a little bit of room for your chicken to breathe. And we're going to put this in the oven. We're going to bake it for an hour and 10 minutes on 350. Okay, so an hour and 10 minutes have passed, and we're going ahead and checking on the chicken, and we're going to remove the top, and we're going to let it cook for additional 20 minutes uncovered. You could also go ahead and after the 20 minutes, turn on your broiler so you can get a good color. But as you can see, I didn't use a broiler this time. It has a good color on it. So what you also can do, you'll see all of the juices around the chicken here in just a minute. As you see, we did not add any liquid. The chicken made its own liquid. So in the last 20 minutes, you can go ahead and pour the residual liquid off, or you can pour most of it off and leave some. It really depends on how you like your chicken. But you want to preserve it because, as you can see here, we're going to go ahead and spread the juices across the chicken just to give it a nice little glaze with the juices that the chicken cooked in. All right, so this is a good a substitution to turkey or ham, or in addition to if you have a lot of people to feed. So definitely add this to your menu for the Easter holiday or any weeknight meal. We just put a few parsley flakes on there for color. Bada bing, bada boom. Hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely catch you next time.